Unit 1, Chapter 4. Story time. Yash and Moti. Listen and repeat. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. "Oh no!" he cried. "There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe?" He looked everywhere. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then, Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked, "Bow wow!" Yash looked at Moti. "Moti, have you seen my shoe?" "Bow wow!" Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yash followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. "Thank God," he said. "The rat has not nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition." "Bow wow!" Moti agreed. "Thank you, Moti," said Yash. Find the words in the story which mean bitten or cut off with teeth. Nibble, cried noisily. Sob. Answer in a word or a phrase. Who bought new shoes for Yash? Yash's mother bought new shoes for him. How did Yash feel then? Yash feels happy. Why was Yash sobbing? His shoe went missing. Who had carried Yash's shoe to the hole? A big fat rat had carried it there. Put the following sentences in the correct order. There is only one shoe here. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. Yash followed Moti. His mother gave him new shoes. "Thank you, Moti," said Yash. His mother gave him new shoes. There is only one shoe here. Yash followed Moti. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. "Thank you, Moti," said Yash. Look and say. Shoes. Morning. Sobbed. Wagging. Barked. Yard. Nibbled. Condition.